Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly get a domain name and hosting for your affiliate marketing business. Although this might not be very important in the beginning, but if you have it, it's going to be a very big plus, because there are some things you'll be able to do because you have a domain name and you have an hosting account. For example, if you want to create an awareness about a new affiliate product that is coming up probably in the next 3 days, and then you want people to opt in into your email list in get response, you can actually create a squeeze page, which I'm going to teach you how you can do that. It's very easy. So you can create the squeeze page, then you start creating the awareness anywhere on Facebook or any free channels. I'm going to teach you. You start creating the awareness and then they start opting in. So on the day of the launch, all those people that opt in to your email list, you can send them a mail with your link and instructing them to buy the product, convincing them to get the offer via your link. So that's one of the advantage of having your own personal domain for affiliate marketing and then connecting it with your hosting account. I prefer Namecheap for buying my domains and hosting. I've been using them for a while and they are quite one of the best options out there. I won't advise you to go for GoDaddy. They are one of the worst companies right now for hosting, because I just lost a domain name to them. So in order to buy your hosting on Namecheap, you can go over to hosting, and then if you click on shared hosting, you'll be led over here. So you see to have your hosting up and running for the next 1 year, you just need $15.44. As you can see, it's so cheap, and then you can host 3 websites on this particular host. So also, apart from that, the domain name is usually $10, and I'm going to demonstrate how to get that, especially for people who are just starting out. I'm going to get a sample domain name. The first thing you do is you are going to need to search for the URL. Before you decide on the domain you want to use, actually started something on the domain. Maybe they've created a business profile for the domain on Twitter, on YouTube, on Facebook, and all that. The website I do make use of is known as namecheckout.com. So for I want to buy now, I'm just going to, I want to know if the domain available. I'm looking for the .com. The .com is available. The Facebook profile is most important to me, is the .com, and then have a YouTube channel, particular domain. So Tiny Blunt is already taken, someone is already using it, so it doesn't matter. So with this, I know the .com is available and the YouTube channel is also available. Then I can go ahead and make a search of the domain and I can purchase it. Great. Namecheap says the domain is available and it's going to cost me $8.88 per year for the first year. But before I can buy this domain, I need to sign up to my account, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, great. Let me go back and make a search. Okay, Tiny Blunt, and then I can search. All right, you need to click on add to cart. tiny blunt. Make sure the domain is exactly what you want so that you will not be having any mistake. These are all the add-ons. Do you want to add web hosting? We don't want to add web hosting. So I'm going to click on view cards. Okay, how much am I paying for the domain? I'm going to be paying $9.06, and then Namecheap domains comes with WhoisGuard, which is free forever. And then if you've got a coupon, you can add it and apply probably. But I think the coupon have been added already. That's you can see has been applied already. So you need to click on credit card details. Since I've been using this account for a while, and then I can make use of the card on my profile. So then I'm going to pay now. Okay, the order is being processed, and then once everything is completed, thank you for your purchase. And then you can see it's very easy to buy a domain and to buy your hosting is very easy. So if you want to do the same for the hosting, you just go ahead and buy. Once you buy it and you bought your domain name, you just come over to manage, and then all you need to do is you need to point your domain name to the hosting. So to do that, there's something that is called DNS. So you come over here. DNS means domain name servers. It's the way a domain is connected to a hosting, so that when you visit the domain name, then the content of the website that is contained on the host is going to be seen on the domain name on the browser. So we need to connect it, and what you just need to do is click on Namecheap web hosting DNS, and then you save it. Once you've saved it, then you can go ahead and install WordPress on your web hosting, and then you can start publishing content on your website, and then you can start adding your affiliate link, and from there you'll be able to start getting visibility for your website, and then people can buy via your link on your website. Thank you so much for watching, and let's proceed to the next video.